This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, November 18th, 2013. My name is Andy Brown, and this briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for the most updated information. Here's the overview of the weather we are expecting this week. Today through Tuesday will be the most active period with heavy valley rain and high mountain snow expected. In addition to the precipitation, expect breezy conditions for most areas around the inland Northwest. Beyond Tuesday, the weather will become much more benign with cooler temperatures settling over the region. By the weekend, temperatures will begin to slowly moderate. This is a water vapor image. This morning, I have highlighted a plume of subtropical moisture that will bring the area widespread precipitation over the next 36 hours. A radar view from early this afternoon shows not much rain or snow falling at this time across the inland Northwest, but as you can see to the west, plenty of moisture is on its way. This graphic shows how much precipitation we are expecting for the region through Tuesday. Most areas will record at least 1/4 of an inch, with the Cascades expecting well over 3/4 of an inch. The mountains in northern Idaho will also receive abundant moisture with this system. The good news is that despite the heavy rain, no flooding is expected. To find where the snow is going to fall, we need to go all the way up above 4,000 feet. It will be too warm in valley locations for snow, but as you go up above 4,000 feet, rain will change over to a heavy wet snow. Most passes in Washington and northern Idaho will start out as snow, but will change over to rain, making for a sloppy mess. The exception will be the North Cascades Highway, where 1 foot or more of snow is likely. Another impact with this storm system is the gusty winds. As this graphic depicts, the majority of the breezy conditions are expected over the basin, where winds will gust 30 to 40 miles per hour. While no wind advisories are valid at this time, local power outages are still possible. Winds will diminish Tuesday night as high pressure builds over the region. And here's a depiction of that high pressure ridge building through the remainder of the week. This will result in much cooler temperatures and no precipitation. Keep in mind that a ridge of high pressure this time of year likely results in widespread valley fog. At this time, which valleys will be impacted is still in question, but rest assured many areas will see fog by the end of the week. To help illustrate the colder pattern this week, I grabbed 2 graphics showing the forecast low temperatures Tuesday morning and Thursday morning. First, you can see the temperatures that are expected for a wet and breezy Tuesday morning commute with widespread upper 30s to lower 40s. Contrast that to 48 hours later on Thursday morning, when temperatures drop into the teens for most locations under mostly clear skies and calm winds. Thursday morning will be the coldest of the week, with temperatures beginning to slowly moderate through the weekend. And as I've hinted at already, the remainder of the week and into the weekend will still be dry, with fog possible in many valley locations. Taking a quick look at the extended forecast, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for above average temperatures for November 25th through December 1st. To summarize, most of the active weather will happen over the next 36 hours across the inland Northwest. Adjust your travel plans accordingly, and be sure to check the latest forecast before you head out. A benign, albeit colder weather pattern sets up for the remainder of the week, with the possibility of a return to average temperatures by the end of the weekend. I wanted to add this announcement for a Weather Spotter training class this Wednesday, November 20th, at the Spokane County Emergency Coordination Center. Please go to our website or follow us on Facebook for more information about this and other upcoming training opportunities. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service. Go to our website, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. I hope you all have a great week. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.